Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fine. So, students, let's start our question answers of chapter number 1 of physics. First of all, question number 7. We'll continue with the question number 7. What do you mean by intermolecular forces? Students, this question is on page number 11. Seventh question's answer is on page number 11. Let's go to page number 11. This is what? Recap only. Yes, recaps page number. So, recap page number. Students, recap page number. Point number 8. Point number 8. Point number 8. Point, I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one point. I have told you earlier also, just to put the numbers on these points. The molecules in a substance are held together by a force acting between the molecule, which are called intermolecular forces. Again, listen, students. The molecules in a substance are held together by the forces acting between the molecules, which are called intermolecular forces. Students, this point number 8 is the answer of question number 7. Answer of question number 7. Okay, students. Now, let's go to our 8th question. What is the 8th question here? What are the forces of cohesion and adhesion? Come to page number again to 11, students. This recap only. Okay. Now we will, that was point number 8, no? Now our answer is point number 9. This is the point number 9. I will show you. This is point number 9. This one. Point number 9. The force of attraction between the molecules of the force of attraction between the molecules of the same substance is called force of cohesion, while the force of attraction between the molecules of two different substances is called the force of addition. Student, this is your answer number 8. This is your answer number 8. Okay, students. So, now come to question number 9. Come to question number 9. State 3 characteristics of molecules of matter which determine its solid, liquid and gaseous state. Students, this answer is on page number 4. This answer is on page number 4. Okay, so let's take out page number 4. Page number 4. Students, question was saying 3 characteristics of molecules of matter. Okay, so page number 4. Here is the answer. Topic is characteristics of particles of matter. Right? So mark on it. The particles of matter called molecules have following 4 characteristics. Students, there 3 is asking you have to write all the 4 up till here. They are small in size, they have spaces between them, they are in constant random motion, and they always attract each other. This is your answer number 9. Okay students, I'll show you. This is the answer. From here till here, answer number 9. Okay. Now come to question number 10. Now students, come to question number 10. How do solids, liquids and gases differ in their following properties? Okay students, so how you will do this question? I am dictating this question. Students, just write. First of all, you will write like this. Solid, you have to make one table like this. Then liquid and then gas. Okay. Here you have to make 3 columns like this. Here you will write size, here shape, here density. Okay, did you understand how you have to do this question? Question number 10 this is. Okay, answer number 10 I am telling you. Make the table like this. Now one by one I am going to tell you. First of all, I will tell you about the size. In solid you have to write here definite. 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 Here you will write in liquid definite volume. DEFINITE. Definite volume. 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 Okay. And in gases, what you will write? No definite volume. No definite. DEFINITE. No definite volume. Now come to shape. In solid, what you will write here? Definite. DEFINITE. Okay. In liquid you will write no definite shape. No definite shape. In liquid you have to write. Okay, here you have to write. Now in gas, here what you will write? No definite shape. No definite shape. Now come to density. In solid I am telling you, here you have to write high. HIGH, high. In liquid you will write here less than solid. Less than solid. And in gas you will write here very low. Very low. Very low. Okay students. Now come to question number 11. Come to question number 11. The molecules in a substance are in motion. What type of path do they follow? So students, write here. They follow. Answer number, which one I am telling you? 11th. They follow. THEY. They follow. FOLLOW. They follow. They follow zigzag path. ZIG. Zigzag. ZAG. Path. They follow zigzag path. Okay students. Now come to question number 12. Describe the experiment to illustrate that molecules are not at rest but they constantly move. Students, come to page number 5. Come to page number 5. This answer you will get on page number 5. Okay, one activity is here, activity 1. Okay, you have to write this activity from take a beaker, fill it partly with water, add some lycopodium powder in the beaker containing water, stir the contents of the beaker with a glass rod, take out few drops of this suspension on a glass plate, place the plate on the table and illuminate it with a table lamp. Observe the glass plate through a microscope. It is found that the fine particles of lycopodium powder move rapidly in the random manner and their path is zigzag. Up till here you have to write, students, and this diagram also you have to draw. Okay, so this diagram. Okay, students, which question it was? The answer that was of 12th question. So students, for today up till here, tomorrow we will continue in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.